दिल बड़ा बेईमान, होना ना नहीं शैतान, दिल को समझाना। ना 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 रे ना रे ना 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 रे ना ना लत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई, लग गई। ज़माना कहे लत ये लत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई, लग गई। ज़माना कहे लत ये गलत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी आ आ आ आ ए आ आ आ आ ए आ लत लग गई।
Lovely talking to you both ladies. So here is beautiful. So that's what came to mind when I saw two of you. So but जब मैं सुनिधि और शर्मली कहती हूँ तो आप दोनों को एक दूसरे का कौन सा गाना याद आ जाता है? Like मैंने से सुनिधि.
For me, यारियां, because वो मेरा सुनिधि का favorite song है. From Cocktail.
गुनगुना दो, गुनगुना दो.
मुझे गुनगुनाना है?
हाँ क्यों नहीं?
Okay. अलविदा यारा अलविदा, हो रहे हैं तुमसे हम जुदा, ले चले सारे गम तेरे, खुश रहे यारा तू सदा, तुमसे भी ज्यादा होगी अब यादें प्यारियां, हम दोनों की है अपनी अपनी लाचारियां, अब हंसते हंसते तुम पे ले खुशियां बारियां, मर्ज भी है देती, दर्द भी है देती, जान भी है लेती, चैन भी है देती यारियां.
Wow.
Sunidhi,
And
I'm
I
so
could,
sorry. I don't know the order of the marz bhi hai, dard bhi hai, but I just
she was
you're on
enjoying
mute.
it. She was totally enjoying it. I saw her just, And सुनिधि जब हम कहते हैं शर्मली तो क्या याद आता है आपको? You're on mute.
You're on mute.
I said sorry. याद तो बहुत कुछ आता है, क्योंकि शाल्मली ने बहुत सारे गाने गाए और not just her slow songs like रुका रुका which is a non-film song, but I love her बलम पिचकारी, I love her लत लग गई. तो लत लग गई actually.
थोड़ा गुनगुना सकती हो?
Okay.
You knew this was gonna happen. You knew it.
Okay. लत लग गई. बेईमान.
हाँ, दिल बड़ा बेईमान, होता नहीं आसान,
दिल को समझाना तेरे.
बस उसके बाद दिल जीते या मैं जीतो दे. You can do that.
जुगल बंदी है तुम दोनों की.
बेईमान, दिल बड़ा बेईमान, होना ना नहीं शैतान, दिल को समझाना. ना 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 रे ना रे ना 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 रे ना ना लत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई, लग गई. ज़माना कहे लत ये लत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई, लग गई. ज़माना कहे लत ये गलत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी आ आ आ आ ए आ आ आ ए आ लत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी आ आ आए आ आ आ आए आ आ आ आए ओ.
Wow, man. No wonder you both were in sync when I saw your video. So before I ask you the question, मैं जरा आपको comments बताऊं क्या है आपके लिए? We want the Sunidhi era back. It's the revolution of Indian music. Playback singers entering the arena of indie pop is the second wave of indie pop. And also someone has said, please ask this generation to listen to these two ladies other than just listening to K-pop.
अरे बाप रे. Oh, that is true. K-pop is huge right now, and I didn't know that myself. But I'm listening to only K-pop being said by the younger generation. Yeah.
I know. So that's what they're saying. This generation needs to listen to these ladies. Come on. But it's very interesting how this song came together. So it was a gift for your partner, your boyfriend.
Yes.
And how did Sunidhi come on board? Kaisa tha? Please tell me, what is it like
It's
when two talented ladies get together and they make music?
See, basically, I'm just also promoting a very courageous acts like asking your idol to sing with you by just like, guys, go ahead and get the contact number of the people you idolize and just send them a text message saying, hey, will you sing a song with me? Which is
So that
literally
simple?
no meaning. It happened like that, but because, well, see, I got a cue from Sunidhi when I think in the month of April or May, she had sent me a text out of nowhere saying, hey, how is the lockdown treating you? Thinking about you. And I was like, wow, that's so sweet, that she's thinking about me, my idol. And so I think that was like the first, feeler I got that I could ask her a question like this, that I have this song and that I would love for you to sing it with me. But it's a gift and I'm not going to release it. So she liked the song to begin with. Like, she's all about the music. Like, that's what I got. Like, the music has to click with her, because there have been times that she has said no to me, and that's what I really appreciate about our relationship right now. It's not that a pleasing kind of a relationship. You tell me anything, I'll keep saying yes to you. And that's why I love her so much, because she really liked the song. And then she said she'll sing it, and she came over to my place in the middle of the lockdown, and we sang. I was recording her while she was singing behind me. It was a lot of fun. It was like a DIY project for us.
Wow. Yes, Sunidhi, I mean, I'm just so happy to see you both together. I can't tell you. For me, like, I heard, and I was like, another comment was, it's like Rihanna and Shakira together. That was another comment.
Oh, we've gotten Mariah Carey and Beyonce before. Now it's Rihanna and Shakira. Okay, we've got a lot of choice in it.
I don't know where to begin. Yeah, it's great.
And Sunidhi. So it was just like simple and
Yeah, first of all, to all those people who commented, thank you so much.
Sunidhi era back. We want the Sunidhi era back.
Thank you, really. And I was never gone. I'm all here, and I'm going to be all the more now with you guys, doing some more music with you, sharing with you. And here's beautiful had to happen because I have immense love and respect for Shalmali, not just as a singer but also as a songwriter. When I heard this song first, I was like, okay, I didn't know it was her who composed it. So when she told me this, I was like, how can that? In my head, I was like, how can that be? It's good, but okay, maybe तुक्का वुक्का लग गया होगा एक बार में. But no. So वो गाना तो सुना ही, उसके बाद spending time with her, I got to hear something else. And then I follow her on Insta, so I heard the song that she would release in her English album. I heard her sing that on the story or the post, "Love You Double" it's called. So I realized how good a composer she is, and it comes naturally to her. It's not that ke, forced sound nahi karta hai. And in fact, she has a better songwriter inside of her, and I told her that. So मुझे ये गाना गाना ही था because I fell in love with the song instantly. And उसके बाद जब ये एक एल्बम का हिस्सा होने जा रहा था, she spoke about that to me. That, I'm planning to keep this song in the album, and since you've sung along, why don't we shoot the video together? Wow. And I was very happy with that, because a song like this, uska video, because वो generally लोग सोचते कोई dance track होना चाहिए, उस पे video बनना चाहिए, so it'll catch more eyeballs and stuff. But it was very brave of her to think of doing this video of this song. So I think Shalmali in general is very courageous, fearless, because she could have done this song solo, because it's her album, and not many people share their glory, their credit. But how brave of her to, of course, she loves me and all that, but the artist inside her could have thought of that. Ki, nahi, ye kya sahi hai mere liye? Maybe I can have her do a nice video bite for me. That go listen to Shalmali's new song, Vibe, feature in the video. But she did, and so why? Because she and I both understand primarily her, she understands that it's the song that is the hero, king, the king, you know, the song is everything and rest just follows. So we both were in purely for the love of this song, and we did this together. I'm so happy it's receiving such great um, response.
तो एक और comment आया तुम दोनों के लिए. So both of you should be making more independent music. Stop singing for Bollywood actresses.
Oh, stop! Like, there's no two ways. Just stop. Like,
How sweet is that?
I know.
That is,
Very
I think that is the best compliment ever that I have received.
Huh?
My life's best compliment. That stop singing for the actresses and you do your song and feature in the video. My God, I mean,
More
any
power.
artist would just thrive for this, especially in our industry in India. It's all about cricketers and actors and movies. It's not so much about music. Yes, culture, the music culture they really talk about, and you know, maybe classical music is the face of India, but there are these artists who are really trying to make a fusion, blend classical and Western classical together. There are so many people out there who do, but they are never talked about. And we are that generation, that breed, you know, who are trying to blend and trying to create a sound that could be catering to the world. I mean, when I started singing my playback songs, I did have the influence of the Western music. I know how I incorporated that a little bit in my singing. I incorporated Kishore Kumar in my singing. So we are not sticking to one genre, one style. We are trying so many things. और अगर वो artist को ये eventually सुनने को मिलता है from the audience, I think it's the best gift. For me today, this was the best compliment. Thank you.
Awesome.
And
Truly.
thank you, Harmali, because you know, if we didn't do this together, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये हम आज सुन रहे होते. It's for both of us. It's our victory.
It is
And you know,
actually.
I know Sharmali also, as you said, K-pop, but you know, they do their own singles. They also do one single for the song soundtracks for OSTs, for the K-dramas. But वो अपना promote करते हैं. मगर यहाँ पर हमारे singers are seeing Bollywood music. So for the independent music, they are just struggling to get that pop wave going. Because और वैसे भी अगर आप देखो आजकल फिल्मों में, जैसे एक जमाने में, you know, Lata Mangeshkar had her solos, like you had Usha Uttup and Asha Bhonsle, that lovely track from Hare Rama Hare Krishna. You don't have that magic happening in our films. It's just a hero singing and फिर बीच में female play गाएगी, दो एक अंतरा गाया और
Because it's not situation based, no? I mean earlier. और अब भी वो अब गाने नहीं करते, फीमेल गाने बहुत नहीं करते, बट अब सिचुएशन को ही ब्लेम कर देते हैं. People, you know, made sure that there was a situation, you know. So musically also they are doing something, not just the film but music, since music is the face of the film. When the film comes out, उसका आप पहला चीज क्या promote करते हो? It's not the dialogues, it's the song that is promoted first. तो वहाँ थोड़ी attention देते थे. अब थोड़ा सा उल्टा हो गया मामला, but yes,
female narratives वैसे लिखे जा रहे हैं, sorry, वैसे लिख रहे हैं female narratives, मगर कोई वो गाना नहीं है, वो भूली दास्तान टाइप कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
True, and you know, I encountered something very, very strange in the last couple of months, where I got a call saying, from a production house, saying they are making a single that is going to feature an actor, and will I sing that song as a single? It's not in a film. So I say, oh, I composed the song, I lend my voice to it, and you chipka some actor's face over a single. Why on earth will anyone take you up on this offer? But there are people doing it.
Yeah.
And I will urge them not to fall prey to such things, because it's not in your interest. If it's your song, you should be the face of that song. If it's not a film song, of course. But there are people out there who are trying to make hay while the sun shines, as far as these singles and the culture of, you know, music videos is really thriving right now. And people are resorting to such ways also.
No, totally agree. Beyonce, Rihanna and Shakira जिनके साथ compare किया, वो तो अपने videos में होते हैं ना. Reese Witherspoon और Meryl Streep थोड़ी होती हैं उनके videos में. You know, Miley Cyrus तो अपना ही video करती है.
But
So
Hollywood or the West was always about that. Music was
yeah,
music, films were films,
yeah.
art films. Jackson, Elvis Presley. I mean, all these people who are such great artists. उनको I don't think, I mean, उनका गाना अगर गलती से फिल्म में यूज कर लिया जाए या उनको OST के लिए गवा दिया जाए तो it was a big thing for the film and the unit, not for the artist. I mean, when Adele sings Skyfall, Skyfall became all about Adele.
Yeah, true.
You know,
I know. Yeah,
with
totally.
the franchisee,
Yeah.
Bond, but it was all about Adele for that year. Wow. So that's the power of music, and that's the kind of respect they have for their artists.
True.
They really know that artist hai bhai, baat khatam. Somebody who creates is that, it has to be the person on top, the one who can create. वो उसके ऊपर सिंगर हो तो अलग बात होगी, वो तो मैजिक हो गया. बट द even when these copyrights वगैरह issues जब आते हैं, I am always for the composers first, because we are fighting for our rights, as singers. But actually, line में पहले तो composers हैं, the person who creates that song. Anyway, this is out of the
No, no, but it's
but
the change we require.
it's, yeah, that creator who comes up with that melody, he is king. Yeah.
Tell me, what is the challenge now? What is it that you actually want to see going forward? Because as your fans have written, they seem it's the second wave of indie pop that's going to come about. Like you, both ladies have, it's a kind of a revolution. You have to read the comments. You love it. You will
Yeah.
love the comments. And for once, I saw no trolls. There was only praise.
Only.
And it makes me happy. It makes me happy because we are we are number one when we want to put people's emotions down.
It's
Give me a
you.
hug.
Virtual hug. वो कहते हैं ना,
Virtual
virtual
hug.
group hug.
Yeah.
Correct. I just want it's going to sound so shallow, but I just want people to stop saying, "Madam, balam pichkari gao na, pareshan gao na." I just want them to stop doing that now, because I will continue to do that. Those songs are a big part of my identity, but I want them to be like, "Aage kya aane wala hai?" You
Right.
know? I would love
Right.
for them to hear them say that, for the audience to be like, are you doing another single? Are you doing another album? When is it coming out? Those questions, aside from just asking for film music. And I told you, I warned you, this is shallow, but this is real. This
No,
is my shallow self.
being honest.
Yeah.
And Suniti, what do you want to say? Because you also came at a time when you were accepted. You had your, कैसी है ये पहेली, like थे. पर वो गाने थोड़े कम होते गए. अब तो हमारा हीरो ही गाता है. So, but what is that one change you want to see going forward? Yeah. If you see the title track is also in the male voice, yeah. धूम मचा ले तुम गाओ ना.
हाँ, like you said, female oriented songs में अगर anthems बन रहे हैं तो वो male singer ही गाएंगे.
हाँ, वैसे हाँ.
Wow. So, good for them. Thanks to them. Because, no, seriously, on a serious note, I want to thank them. क्योंकि अगर busy होना is a great thing. गाना बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे, तो मैं वो गाती रहती. But I'm sure at some point, जैसे लॉकडाउन सडनली आ गया, वैसे ही सडनली एक पॉइंट तो मेरे लाइफ में आता जब मैं सोचती कि ओके, is there anything else that I want to do? Am I bored? Am I sounding repetitive? So वो अगर अपने आप ही थोड़ा fizzle out हो गया, कम हो गया, it has only given me time to get better, to be born again, to take a rebirth, I think I'm only thankful because I know I have my audience out there who loves my Hindi songs, my playback songs, sorry. और अब उनको मैं और बोनस दूंगी और जिसमें मेरी ग्रोथ होगी. एक्चुअली फायदा मेरा ज्यादा होने वाला है क्योंकि मुझे आई वांट टू ग्रो एज एन आर्टिस्ट. आई एम वेरी हंग्री. I think my life has only begun just now. I know it sounds cliched, but the truth is, after Teg in my life, मुझे ऐसा लगता है there's a new me, and now that new me should do a lot more, and I can't wait to share that new side of me with all you people, along with
Looking forward.
also along
Looking
with
forward to that.
a few songs with Shalmali for sure. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
No,
looking
but
forward to that. Yeah.
I have to say that in the little time that I've known Sunidhi, she is an utter huge, humongous monster of a person when it comes to like the things that she's already done. Like it's all there, and it just has to be put out. You know, there's the body of work that hasn't released is also so vast,
True.
and she's also constantly doing something with herself, and it's mind-boggling. Like, and I'm sure she doesn't tell me half the stuff as she shouldn't. But she's good at like keeping stuff, you know, like under wraps, and then one day telling me that oh I did this also, and I'm like, oh my god, but when? So a lot is that I can vouch for the fact that she's just going to like be everywhere now.
Tot-
I
Totally.
think, yeah, I really
So,
feel that.
so stop saying Shakira, Rihanna, Beyonce, Mariah Carey, say Shalmali and Sunidhi.
Yeah.
More power to you ladies. But जाते जाते प्रेस तो तुम दोनों ने एक दूसरे की कर दी. एक quirk जो observe किया है वो तो बता दो.
एक क्या?
Quirk, something कि ये अजब ही है, अजब ही है.
You say first. Let me think.
Well, it's not a quirk. Like you're scared, but you're scared of cheaties also, which I find very amusing. So Sunidhi is scared of ants, and the other, she's scared of ants, like ants,
Yeah.
little things, and yeah, and no, not only the biting variety, just ants in general.
इंडिया जिंदगी में जो मिलती हैं.
हाँ.
Oh yes,
तो
वो जो हर जगह
हम
होते हैं.
करेक्ट. तो जब किचन विचन में किचन में तो मतलब होती है, पर हमने जब शूटिंग कर रहे थे हम इस म्यूजिक वीडियो की, तब काफी सारे कीड़े मकोड़े ये वो सब थे. सो शी वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक ओ यार क्या है. सो शी इज क्यूट लाइक दैट.
Talking about those कीड़ा मकोड़ा, not the ones which have a human face, ना? वो भी कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं उसमें.
Human face. नहीं वो नहीं, but yeah, she rightly put it. I am phobic too, but मेरा थोड़ा phobia I think 60% कम हो गया है thanks to her, you know, and this video. The experience I had, मतलब घास फूस और कंकड़ पत्थर और कीड़े मकोड़े सबके ऊपर ऑलमोस्ट मुझे कभी बैठना पड़ रहा था, कभी लेटना पड़ रहा था. She was very comfortable. I don't know how.
Wow.
But yeah. So about her, nothing that I only like whatever she does. I have seen her at her work, as in, you know, talking about other than music, about when we were discussing about the video कि क्या चीजें क्या होनी चाहिए, or even about the promotion कि इसका कैसा होना चाहिए. I think she's very clear with what she wants to do, what she wants to put out, and there's no confusion there. So I think I like that about her. It's quirky.
Wow. Thank you so much, ladies. And possible for you to just sing a few lines of your new single?
Okay. Can
Here
Shalini?
is you.
Okay. Shalini, can you hear me?
Mute me.
Sorry, I'm here now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna just open the tiny piano.
First or second? Second.
First. Oh, second. Okay. Second.
Okay.
Here's to the times when you took me out of painful times, cradled me with your pretty lies, just so you could see me smile again.
Ooh, here's to the times when I kept my feelings on the rack, and with my hand on your back, made you see that you're more than that. I don't care.
I don't care if we came the right way,
or if we're heading in the right direction. 'Cause where we are is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Indeed, and you ladies are beautiful indeed. And as I say, may our tribe grow. May you both achieve what you set out to do, and let the revolution come. And way to go, ladies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Talking to you.
And
Bye.
comments
Bye.
जरूर पढ़ना, जरा जाना YouTube में and comments जरूर देखना.
Okay.
Please see the comments. Please go and read the comments. They'll make you so happy. For once,
Alright.
people have been generous, yeah.
Thank you so much.